Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add fade to your videos using the CapCut app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the CapCut app, then add one of your videos. And after you start editing your video, you just have to tap on the adjust tool, which is on the right side of the screen. And at the adjust menu, you will find the fade icon on the right side. It's going to be the third option from the right. And when you tap on it, this slider is going to appear. And with this slider, if you increase it, you can fade your videos if you are going for such an aesthetic in your videos, or if you want to apply it to only one of your video segments, you can do that too. So that's pretty much it, how you apply it. This is how it looks at 50%, the fade. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.